In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail for a true crime video. So the platform that we're going to use is novoads.ai. The link is going to be in the comment section. And then here we need to go to the image section, and here we need to use the following settings. Now, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and in title, we need to write the title of our video. For example, this one. Now here in the text overlay, we have to put the text of the thumbnail. And now here where it says reference image, well, you can upload an image related to your video. Actually, I recommend it. But in this case, I'm going to erase this because I don't want to upload a reference image. So now we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect, here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails are amazing. So if you want to try this platform, I want to tell you that you can do it for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.